Previously, I would say that we could deliver really good work, but I never really understood the business and how to run a business and look professional and be professional. I was professional, but not to any sort of standard that I am now. And going through the journey, it certainly opened up my eyes completely to what a professional business looks like and how to operate one. So definitely targeted on the ideal customer, because when I get in front of them, basically, if I'm quoting the job, I want to win it, and it's a job that I want to do and the clients that I want to work with, as opposed to just quoting everything that comes across your desk and maybe winning a percentage of them, and it might be crappy work that you don't really want to do, but you just got to do it because you've won the job. With this way, I'm dialed in on the clients that I want to work with, the jobs that we want to do, and the team's much happier because we're doing work that we really enjoy. Business owner time basically gives me the time to have focused on the sort of business that I've always wanted to be in and work in. You just set aside some time to work out what I have to do to get to a place where I'm doing the work that we want to do for the right money, and there's profit at the end, because you set aside that time to plan and make sure that you are guiding the business towards those areas that you want to be. Without that, you're just running around like a headless chook, doing all sorts of stuff that just keeps you going. It definitely took practice, because there's so much going on when you first start, but once you do it a couple of times, you realize how valuable the time is, and then you see things start to change, and it's like, this is actually happening, and it's going the right way, and figures are changing and bank balance is going up. It's really empowering. Having the right team members in the right roles is very critical. It also keeps the team happy once they have control of what they're required of, knowing what they have to do and what their expectations are. And if they have those processes and procedures in place for them to operate and execute their work, it works all the way up the chain to myself. It's very easy for them to stay focused on what they need to do. I'm virtually off the tools now, unless they really need help to push something over the line. It's probably been a 2-year process. I've now got a really good supervisor who controls generally the job and the job management, and I basically focus on business and finding work and quoting.